live long, and prosper. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So it is time for a detox. I do have digestive issues, so every once in a while I do like to do a detox, but this will be my first time filming it. We're gonna do 72 hours, 3 whole days, celery juice, bone broth, detox. So I'm gonna quickly talk about the benefits of each. Bone broth is rich in collagen, which is needed to form the lining in our stomach and in our digestive tract. It also helps form the tissue that strengthens our skin and gives it that nice glow. Because it comes from animal bones, it's full of really amazing nutrients that are important for the functions of our liver, our digestion, our immune system. It also detoxifies the liver and detoxifies our digestive system and boosts your immunity, improves your sleep, and improves memory and cognition. Now let's talk about celery. Celery juice prevents inflammation, detoxifies the liver, cleans out the gut and repairs it, provides us with energy, curbs food cravings, which I'm really gonna need because I'm not gonna be eating nothing, and clears acne and gives us that glowing skin. So the benefits are pretty similar for both of them. I'm gonna try to go through one of these a day. This is beef bone broth. I also made a chicken, doesn't that look appetizing? A chicken bone broth. I've been sipping on it the last few days, super duper tasty. And I'll probably try to go through, I don't know, let's do like a head of celery a day. So I will keep you guys up to date. Here we go. Morning, friends. Hopefully this isn't too hot. Always nice to burn your tongue first thing in the morning. This is my chicken bone broth. Tastes super good. It's just chicken bones, garlic, onion, ginger, and some spices, salt and pepper, and then a little of the secret spice. But it tastes really, really nice. This is the morning of day 1. And I like to walk down to this pond in the morning and watch the sunrise, connect with nature a little bit. I find it really refreshing to get out right first thing in the morning when I wake up instead of staying inside and burning my eyes out looking at my phone. So hopefully we can catch the sunrise together. It will be pretty cool. Scrumptious. It basically tastes how you think it would, celery with water. I do add honey to sweeten it up. So I guess this is the celery juice, honey, and bone broth detox fast. It's pretty good. You get used to it after a while. I don't mind it. The first time you have it, you're probably gonna be like, ugh. But after, ugh, gross. Clean yourself up. After a while, you do get used to it. I am gonna break in the beef bone broth at lunchtime. When I was at the organic grocer, I also got this peppermint soap bar, and it smells so good. Here, sniff it. Sniff it. You like it? Alright. So I'm gonna finish up this bad boy and I will catch up with you guys at lunchtime. Probably should have used a bigger pot. Wow, this is pretty flavorless. It's not bad, but my chicken one had a lot more flavor than this one. Oh boy, 3 more days. So it's about 3 p.m. right now. The hunger monkey has definitely climbed on my back. I'm pretty hungry, but that's part of it, I guess. My energy levels are good though. I'm not experiencing any die-off just yet. Hopefully that's not too bad. But I will check in with you guys at the end of the day, finish off the package of broth and the head of celery, and let you know how I'm feeling. Alright, so I just took a shower. It's about 10 p.m. Starting to get pretty low energy. Yeah, I'm tired, but I think the die-off is beginning. Die-off is basically when the toxins start flushing out through your body. You're gonna feel worse for a little bit. So I have some brain fog and feel kind of nasty, so I'm gonna try to sleep it off, and hopefully I'll feel better in the morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 2. Good morning. Good morning. I slept the whole night through. I slept for about 7 hours, which is good. Didn't wake up. So I'm feeling pretty decent this morning. My energy levels are good. Hopefully I have a good day. Hopefully I have lots of energy. So I'm gonna have I'll probably start with celery juice and then have a serving of bone broth directly after that, and we'll get this day started. Alright, just sipping on my broth this morning. When my mom was here visiting, that was her grocery cart. She went back home though. So I'm gonna go for a hike today. Don't worry, there's not gonna be anybody around where I'm going. So I'll take you guys with me, show you guys the view, and then I guess we'll catch up again in the afternoon. Hey guys, I'm home from the hike. Just took a bath. Got my serving of bone broth. I'm about halfway through the second pack, and I've got about half a head of celery to go. The hike was awesome, beautiful. Loved the frogs, great view. So I'm just brainstorming a video, and I'm gonna finish up this broth and catch you guys in a bit. So we're coming to the end of day 2, and I have to say I feel great. My energy levels were really good today. I have so much clarity. Like if you ever fast, you're really gonna notice how clear your mind is, how clear your thoughts are. And when I was on the hike, I definitely felt more connected to nature than usual, a heightened sense of spirituality, which is great. And I definitely feel like my tummy is healing up. So today was great. I had a beautiful hike. I feel great energy levels. So one more day and then we'll be all finished up. I'm just gonna finish this bad boy, and I have one more serving of bone broth, and then I'm gonna hit the sack. Good morning. It's day 3. I'm so sore. My body is so sore from the hike. Slept pretty good, but I'm gonna take another bath and stretch because I feel crocked like a 9-year-old man. And then we'll get this day started. Last day of the fast. Here we go. So we're about midway through day 3. It's It's about 12 noon right now, and I feel great, even better than I did yesterday. The mental clarity is amazing, how clearly that you can think, and my body feels good too after taking that bath and having the stretch. I feel really loose, no inflammation. Let's see if we can, there's a little secret path to this creek here. Have to do some Tarzan kind of moves. Yeah. Oh my God. Is this the right path? I think it is. But yeah, I feel so good. And I definitely feel the heightened spirituality. Like you just feel so much more connected to what's around you, and you're much more self-aware. So I'm gonna go down and sit by this creek for a while, if I can get through all this brush, and just relax, and then I have to do a little bit of a shot. Alright, so I'm just on the very last serving of broth. I'm really happy I made it to the end of the 72 hours. I'm quite proud of myself. Honestly, this experience has been amazing. I felt so good these last couple days. The heightened sense of spirituality is definitely the #1 benefit that I've noticed, as well as feeling super present, super connected with myself, and when I'm out in nature, super connected with nature. I think my skin's looking pretty decent. I mean, I take pretty good care of it. Still got some blemishes, some pimples, but that's okay. But overall, I feel great. My digestive system definitely feels like it's healing. I feel so clean. It's like I feel like a car that's like just gone through the wash and gone through the flappers, and it comes out and it's like, so fresh. It feels really, really good. I'm really happy with this experience. It's definitely something I'm gonna do again. I am craving food, like definitely craving protein. I went to the grocery store and bought a bunch of goodies. Here, I'll show you guys some of them. Barbecue lamb chops, Maui ribs, tandoori salmon, rosemary garlic chicken legs and thighs, barbecue lamb steak, chicken bacon strips. You make sure you take it easy. You just finished fasting. Yeah, alright. Overall, I think this has been a super awesome experience, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm not a doctor. Fast at your own risk. But I loved it. The mental clarity is incredible. I love thinking this clearly. I definitely have not had this clear state of mind in quite a while, so it's pretty nice. So I guess that wraps it up. I hope this video isn't too long, but if you enjoyed it and you're new, make sure to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see each and every one of you in the next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Take care.